How to send crypto on crypto.com. If you want to send your crypto on crypto.com to your friends and family or other crypto.com users, it is quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the crypto.com app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now once you see this interface, what you have to do from here is you want to scroll and then just look for this little crypto icon from the bottom right here after your login, and after you do that, here you can see the pay option, and here you can see send option. So that's exactly what we want to do. We will select the send option right here, and you can see it says send crypto to friends and earn up to 10% cashback. So you can select allow access to contacts and allow the access, and select the person you'd like to send the crypto to, and you'll also be able to enter the amount, and once done you would have successfully sent crypto on crypto.com. This way you can send crypto on crypto.com. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.